You are watching Tech Island, your go-to spot for the latest tech gadgets. In today's video, we will be looking at some of the best tech gadgets on Amazon. We won't keep you waiting for long. Let's head right in with our first entry. Number 1. Atom Window Yo. The Window Yo is like having a magical window that whisks you away to any corner of the globe. Spin the globe, pick a spot, and bam! You're there, soaking in breathtaking landscapes and learning about different cultures. Plus, you can even bring your favorite shows and games into the mix. Number 2. Store It Credit Card Holder. Alright, check out this nifty credit card holder next. It's like a mini wallet superhero, holding up to 6 of your cards without bulking up your pockets. Plus, that shiny black look? Totally sleek. Stick it in your pocket or toss it in your bag. It's small enough to go wherever you do. Coming up next. Number 3. MindLab's TShirt Television. Ever wished your outfit could be more than just fabric? Enter the TShirt Television, an ultimate fusion of fashion and technology. It's like wearing your art gallery wherever you go. With its integrated digital screen, you can display your digital creations for all to admire. With this amazing gadget, your clothes will never be boring again. Speaking of never being boring, check out. Number 4. PRAN Liquid Landscape. This sand art isn't your average decor. It's a chill-out session in a glass. Watch as sands shift, creating mesmerizing landscapes from deserts to oceans. Perfect for a desk, bedroom, or living room. It's relaxation at your fingertips. Trust us, your office really needs one of these. The next gadget on our list is also a decor essential. Number 5. Ivy Smart Flower Pots. Meet your new plant best friend with brains and beauty. With over 70 expressive faces, 7 smart sensors, and AI chips, it's like having a personal plant whisperer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, these pots make nurturing your green pals easy and fun. A must-have for any plant lover. Number 6. ColorPick Digital Pen. This digital pen is the perfect tool for letting your creativity run wild. With the ability to pick from over 16 million colors, it is a game changer for artists and doodlers alike. Whether you're sketching on paper or on a screen, this pen lets you express yourself in vibrant hues. Get ready to bring your ideas to life digitally and have a blast doing it. Up next, a smart solution to your sleep problem. Number 7. Chili Sleep Cube Sleep System. This smart sleep system will be your perfect sleep companion. This bad boy uses advanced tech to keep your mattress surface just right so you can say bye-bye to sweaty nights. With its cool mesh and dual zone features, it's like tailor-made sleep for you and your partner. And get this, you can even control it with a remote. Number 8. Nordic Pocket Chainsaw. Meet your new adventure buddy, the Nordic Pocket Saw. Lightweight and versatile, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and more. With bi-directional teeth and durable handles, it's a breeze to use. Plus, it is super durable, and the straps are comfortable to hold onto. Get your firewood sorted in a jiffy with this reliable and trusty saw. Number 9. LPE Modular Electric Scooter. Looking to make your commute hassle-free? Meet the revolutionary Modular e-scooter. With its 3-in-1 design, long battery life, and solar power charge, it's a game changer for urban travelers. Whether you are zipping to work, school, or hanging out with friends, this scooter makes every journey a breeze. Plus, it is eco-friendly. What more can you ask? Moving on, we have Number 10. Camar Foldax Pro. Ever wished you had a tool that could handle anything in the great outdoors? The Foldax Pro is what you have been looking for. This multi-tool combines a foldable axe, hammer, knife, and saw into one elite package. Crafted from top-notch materials like aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it's built to tackle any challenge. Lightweight and compact, it's a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts everywhere. Number 11. Viz Extend Pro. Check out the famed Extend Pro, a tool to extend your laptop's functionality tenfold. This innovative device transforms your mobile work experience with seamless multi-screen capability. No more wasted time on tab switching. Just plug and play for up to 4 screens. Plus, its sturdy mounting and kickstand design ensure versatility and comfort. Now, something to keep you cool. Number 12. Anchor-powered cooler. This portable cooler is the ultimate adventure companion for your outdoor escapades. It offers unmatched convenience and freshness for your weekend trips. With its innovative features like long-lasting cooling, iceless functions, and solar input charging, it's a game-changer for outdoor dining. This gadget is indispensable for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 13. Baggot Packing Cube Set. Alright, let's talk about this packing cube set. It's like your travel fairy godmother, but cooler. You've got everything you need. Mesh cubes for clothes, a private one for undies, even a shoe bag and laundry sack. Also, since it is made from tough nylon, this baby can handle the long haul. Link right there in the description. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please drop a like to show your support. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. Let's get back to it. Number 14. Deluxe Pock Combo. The Pock Combo is like your office on the go. With its foldable keyboard, sliding mouse, and handy case, it's got everything you need to set up shop wherever you are. No more lugging around bulky equipment. Just slide it out, get to work, and slide it back in when you're done. Portable, practical, and perfect for getting work done on the fly. Number 15. YTC Cordless Steam Mop. Ready to revolutionize the way you clean. Introducing this innovative cordless mop. This bad boy heats up fast and gives you 3 steam levels to tackle any mess. Whether it's everyday spills or those stubborn stains, they will be history in no time. And get this, it's not just a mop, it's a 3-in-1 wonder. Use it as a mop, cleaner, or handheld steamer. So much functionality is something you must not miss out on. Number 16. The Easy Maker. The Easy Maker system turns the process of making your bed hassle-free. It simply lifts your mattress so you can easily swap out sheets without any awkward lifting or tucking. No more arguing about who's stuck with bed-making duty. Plus, it's a lifesaver for those heavy mattresses that are a pain to maneuver. Trust us, this system is like having an extra set of hands. After making your bed, it's time for breakfast with this next gadget. Number 17. TFA Egg White Separator. This egg white separator is like having a kitchen assistant right at your fingertips. With its clever 3-hole design, it separates egg whites in seconds, saving you time and effort. Made from food-grade plastic material, it's safe and durable for everyday use. Plus, it's easy to clean and fits perfectly with different kitchen tools. So, no more messy tabletops for you. Number 18. AFC Security Smart Drop. Now, it's time for Smart Drop, a revolutionary product in the world of package deliveries. Imagine never having to worry about missed or damaged packages again. With Smart Drop, your parcels are safe and sound 24/7, rain or shine. Additionally, you can keep track of every delivery with real-time notifications and even chat with the courier via 2-way audio. It is your own personal package guardian. Number 19. Brisket Smoker Grill. This smart pellet grill is next level. With real-time status alerts sent straight to your phone and full control of the grill at your fingertips via the mobile app, barbecue has never been easier. Also, thanks to AI-powered automation, this grill practically cooks the perfect meal for you. Not to mention the large cooking capacity, you can invite the whole neighborhood over for a feast. The next gadget is a must-have for pet owners. Number 20. Steamy Cat Brush. A treat for your fluffy friend is here, the Steamy Cat Brush. Not only does it efficiently remove stray hair, but it also gives your feline friend a relaxing massage experience. With hot steam technology, it effortlessly loosens dirt and dust, leaving your cat's coat clean and healthy. Suitable for all hair types, this brush promotes better circulation, skin health, and a shiny coat. A tech your furry friend will appreciate. Would you buy one of these for your cat? Let us know in the comments below. Number 21. Lifespan Desk Bike. Ever wished you could work and work simultaneously? Meet the desk bike. With the lines between home and office blurring, isn't it time for tools that adapt to this new normal? Dive into how this device revolutionizes your workspace while boosting your productivity and fitness effortlessly. Get your own personal gym right at your desk with this amazing gadget. Speaking of exercise, check out number 22. Dice Smart Yoga Mat. This smart yoga mat is an innovative solution to keep you warm and cozy during your sessions. With adjustable heat settings and eco-friendly materials, it's perfect for yoga, meditation, or exercise. Plus, it doubles as a wireless speaker for your favorite tunes with a magnetic bracket for hands-free video playback. It's an indispensable gadget for yoga lovers around the globe. Number 23. SodaStream Mixology Kit. Transform your home into a soda haven with this Mixology kit. It is perfect for crafting personalized soft drinks effortlessly. The kit includes high-quality stainless steel tools and ice spheres. All you need to feel like a proper alchemist. It's time to unleash your inner mixologist with this gadget. Number 24. Hershey Tension Rack. Looking to declutter your living space? Say hi to this versatile storage rack. Boasting easy installation with no tools needed, it's perfect for any room in your home. Whether it's the bathroom, kitchen, or wardrobe, this rack offers adjustable storage solutions anywhere. It is also made of durable stainless steel, making it sturdy and stable for all your storage needs. An essential accessory for any home, just like this next entry on our list. Number 25. Rotech Rollup Multirack. Looking to streamline your kitchen cleanup? This over-sink drying rack is your solution. Designed to fit securely on sink ledges, it saves valuable counter space while aiding in food preparation and cleanup. Plus, its heat-resistant design allows it to double as a trivet for hot pots. With its versatile uses and easy-to-store design, this rack is a must-have for any kitchen. Number 26. Shen Micro Smartwatch Charger. This Apple Watch charger is the smallest you will ever see. With 3 ports and fast charging, it can power up to 3 devices simultaneously. It boasts a quick charging speed, making it perfect for on-the-go charging. Get yours today and say hello to convenience and versatility with this compact and powerful charger. That's it for today. You can find all the links for these products in the video description down below. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for similar content. Thanks for watching.